Most people imagine that making money is all about noise, startups, hype, and taking big risks. But the reality is some of the most reliable businesses grow quietly in the background. There's no spotlight, no trending hashtags, and no viral moments, just steady, dependable income. Today we're going to explore small businesses that most people rarely notice, yet they're always in demand. These are the kinds of services people pay for without thinking twice because they solve everyday problems. Let's take a calm look at these overlooked opportunities. These businesses don't rely on luck or viral fame. Instead, they exist for a simple reason. People dislike certain tasks and are more than willing to pay someone else to handle them. Whether it's organizing, cleaning up, or updating, these services quietly fill a need. They don't shout for attention, but their value is clear to those who use them. By focusing on what people want to avoid, these businesses create steady demand and lasting relationships. Let's look at some examples of these practical, behind-the-scenes services. Every month, countless people lose money to forgot subscriptions, streaming services, apps, and membership they no longer use. A subscription cleanup service steps in to review expenses, cancel unused plans, and optimize costs. It's a simple idea, but it saves clients real money and builds instant trust. People appreciate the relief of knowing they're not wasting cash, and this service often leads to referrals. Quiet, effective, and always needed, subscription cleanup is a business that thrives on solving a common headache. Businesses handle messy files every day, PDFs that need editing, scanned documents, and unorganized forms. A document conversion service quietly fixes these issues. By transforming files into usable formats and organizing them, the service saves time and reduces frustration for clients. It's not flashy, but it's always in demand. Companies rely on accurate, accessible documents to keep operations running smoothly, and they're happy to pay for this convenience. Document conversion is a steady, behind-the-scenes business that delivers real value. Box overload is a modern stressor. Sorting emails, setting up filters, and removing junk is tedious work that most people avoid. An email cleanup service steps in to organize inboxes, set up smart filters, and clear out unnecessary messages. Once the job is done, clients feel immediate relief and clarity. It's a simple service, but the impact is huge: less stress, more focus, and a cleaner digital life. Email cleanup is a quiet business that brings peace of mind to busy people. New websites aren't broken, they're just outdated. A website content refresh service updates text, improves clarity, and ensures information is current. There's no need for a full redesign. This overlooked service helps businesses build trust with their audience and stay relevant. Clients appreciate the subtle improvements, and they're willing to pay for ongoing updates. Website content refresh is a consistent, low-profile business that quietly supports online presence and credibility. Phones and computers are often filled with digital clutter, random files, duplicate photos, and disorganized folders. A file and photo organization service brings order to this chaos. By sorting, labeling, and backing up important files, this service saves clients time and gives them peace of mind. It's a quiet offering, but word-of-mouth referrals are strong. People value the sense of control and simplicity that comes from a well-organized digital life. These businesses don't chase attention or trends. They focus on solving real, everyday problems for people and companies. That's why they last. By providing practical solutions and building trust, they create steady income and loyal clients. If you're looking for business ideas built on clarity and reliability, not hype, these quiet services are worth considering. This channel is dedicated to calm, realistic ways to earn and grow. Let's keep exploring together. In a world obsessed with the next big thing, it's easy to overlook the power of steady, reliable businesses. These quiet services don't make headlines, but they make a difference in people's lives. By focusing on what truly matters, solving problems, and providing value, they build a foundation for long-term success. The path may not be glamorous, but it's sustainable and rewarding. Trust is earned through consistent, helpful service. Each of these businesses builds trust by quietly delivering results. Clients come back because they know their needs will be met without drama or surprises. Over time, this trust becomes the backbone of the business, leading to referrals and steady growth. Quiet businesses thrive on reputation, not noise. One advantage of these quiet businesses is their low overhead. They don't require fancy offices or expensive marketing campaigns. Instead, they focus on delivering high value with minimal fuss. This approach keeps costs down and profits healthy. Clients appreciate the straightforward service, and business owners enjoy a simpler, more manageable operation. Marketing for these businesses is often as quiet as the services themselves. Word of mouth and referrals drive growth. When clients are happy, they naturally share their experiences with friends and colleagues. This organic growth is sustainable and cost-effective, helping the business expand without the need for constant advertising. Many of these services are built on recurring revenue. Monthly subscriptions, regular check-ins, and ongoing maintenance create a stable income stream. This predictability allows business owners to plan ahead and invest in long-term growth. Clients benefit from consistent support, and the business enjoys financial stability. Because these businesses aren't flashy, they often face less competition. Many entrepreneurs overlook them, chasing bigger or trendier opportunities. This leaves room for dedicated owners to carve out a niche and build a loyal client base. Quiet businesses can thrive in the background, serving steady demand with little interference. You don't need complex tools or advanced technology to run these businesses. Simple software, clear communication, and reliable processes are enough. By focusing on efficiency and customer service, these businesses deliver big results with minimal resources. It's about making life easier for clients, not complicating things. Quiet businesses often offer flexible work arrangements. Many services can be managed remotely or on a part-time basis. This flexibility is attractive to both business owners and clients. It allows for a better work-life balance and makes it easier to adapt to changing needs. Flexibility is a hidden strength in these business models. These services appeal to a wide range of clients, from busy professionals to retirees. Everyone has tasks they'd rather avoid, and these businesses step in to help. By serving diverse needs, they build a broad client base and ensure steady demand across different age groups and lifestyles. Starting a quiet business doesn't require a huge investment. With basic skills, a clear offer, and a focus on customer service, anyone can begin. The barriers to entry are low, making it accessible for new entrepreneurs. It's about finding a need and offering a simple, effective solution. Growth in these businesses is calm and steady. There's no rush to scale overnight. Instead, owners can focus on quality, build relationships, and expand at a comfortable pace. This approach reduces stress and leads to more sustainable success in the long run. Clarity is at the heart of these businesses. Clear communication, transparent pricing, and straightforward services make everything easier for clients. By removing confusion and focusing on what matters, these businesses build loyalty and trust over time. If you're searching for a practical business idea, consider these quiet, reliable services. They don't require hype or constant attention, just a commitment to solving real problems. With a calm approach and a focus on value, you can build something lasting. Stay tuned for more ideas and insights on building a business that works for you.